because, man, I worked so hard for this moment. We as Belgium worked so hard for this moment to finally have a final. We've been building for years and years to this moment, and yeah, to just finally have it is just amazing. We have such an amazing group, and we're just a group of friends that just wanna play for a country and win games, you know.
Belgian team is widely considered to be the top contender for European gold. Myself, I have very few doubts. Do you have any?
Because as I told the first day, you know, if as a coach I don't believe on my team, who is going to believe on my team? So yeah, I'm completely confident.
Now look at Manunga though, get it right back. She is a tiger. This is what it's physical.
She is very
Reservoir can do everything here in Tel Aviv. Messi right at the buzzer. And killed him. Done it. Here's Billy Massey. Oh, somebody did get the message down to Dion clearly that Meesseman is 1 assist away from triple-double.
And Meesseman got it.
She's got her triple-double.
She just made history. Bench knew it, the fans knew it, the coaching staff knew it. So they're happy for her and proud for her. Obviously, Meesseman making history here today, but her teammates are a part of that history.
We're part of history already, together.
Et ouais, 47 assists.
37. We broke our own record of 37.
Het speelt zeker in mijn hoofd. Ik hoop dat er een nieuw zo'n prachtig moment aankomt voor ons. Heel vaak in het net niet de laatste jaren. Dus,
Squeak out a win over Belgium, and they will be playing in the final. And you see the disappointment and tears of the Belgian player.
We hebben nog een eentje te tellen met 2 jaar geleden. We gaan niet vergeten zijn en dan gaan we gewoon dat het tijd is voor die lijstje. Can't wait. Can't wait to play against them and kill them.
I know I'm changing. I know I'm changing into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then
Let's play against them and kill them.
Gruda inside and fouled by Meesseman. She is out of the game.
That is a big loss for Belgium.
He puts the 3 up, it's no good. And France have escaped in overtime. A cruel defeat for Belgium.
when your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable.
Meesseman, the jumper. My goodness, I mean, it's so hard not to call her the MVP already. But Julie Van Blue, how do you do? 16 points, 5 threes. Emma Meesseman, 18 points. And Belgium lead France.
It feels like it's been the Meesseman Van Blue show here, but other people are contributing. You know, they enjoy playing with each other. They're so unselfish.
From the bottom to the top, we're sparking out fast, never quitting, never stopping.
It's 0-0. They will come back. They will be aggressive, like in the beginning of the match. But after we can see that they are tired. After they go, it's perfect. So let's continue that the first minutes and then let's kill it. Okay? Let's take let's be smart.
But Belgium, when they have speed, they are dangerous.
Nice handoff. Good recovery by France. They end up with a 3 and they make it. Count it! Another one from Marine. Botooks. French are not done. Body on. Botooks. She drives in. Nowhere to go. 0.4 seconds left. It looks like Belgium are gonna hold on.
beginning of this tournament, we were saying we want to go to that final. Yeah, like 10 years ago, we started to do camps here during our summer because we weren't qualified for a championship. And we already thought about it. That would be the dream coming true, the perfect story.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care if they call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, the vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all
We're here to enjoy this game, but not just to enjoy. We're gonna leave everything we have left in our tank on the floor tonight. Everything. We're gonna stick together. It's gonna be hard, but we're gonna enjoy it. The most important thing is we stick together. If we play 1 minute, 40 minutes, together.
Belgium on 3, 1, 2, 3. Belgium!
Look at the pass and look at the finish from Casas. Again,
One of those, you know, they're used to having this connection, knowing where each other are. You know, it's good defense, but they're not as connected, especially with their passes, some of their cuts.
I don't think we realize what kind of a chance this is. A Spain that's not on their highest level, not playing. And we playing so bad, so scared, I think. And we only down what? I don't know what.
7.
It only takes more energy, running faster, playing smarter, create something. We're only like standing around, watching one person do something. Drive, kick, give and go. I don't know what. Our game. What we've played for 5, I don't even know how many games. Our kind of basketball, that's what they hate. We gotta play with our heart. Like, I don't know if we're not doing it. We're gonna, trust me, you're gonna regret if we keep playing like this and we lose this game. We're gonna regret it. And that's the worst thing you can live with, regret. Just go out. We got 20 minutes left to take everything we have to play our game, to fight. Alright? Come on, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. You're open. Take it. I don't care if it's next, like not in. But if you don't take it, you don't have anything for sure. We can do it. We belong here. We deserve this spot. And it's a once in a lifetime chance, maybe. Take it with both hands. And we're not doing it, not even with one finger right now. We got it. We got it. Come on, 20 minutes. Let's go!
Oh, it's good! Main answer and go back up by 8 points and force a timeout for Belgium. 14 minutes remaining in the game.
I knew the fire was in us. The energy was just not there, and I had no idea like how to put the fire on.
You to come down. We built weapons of war, but I'm out of bullets to
behind the
fire.
back goes off 1 foot. Wow! She just feels so confident. Even under pressure, playing with a smile on her face.
At the right time, the right moment, we all stood up.
The game gives it back to Meesseman. Out. They pass it around the perimeter. Limskins for 3. It's good! Limskins! That's more like it for Belgium. And DeMar scrapping, gets the basketball. And so again, wow, unbelievable. Just player after player stepping up for Spain.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard. The most important thing is we stick together.
I'll go through the
we have the best player in the world in Emma Meesseman. They know how to win, they know what heartbreak, they know what it costs and how hard it is, and they know what to do. They're experienced.
Belgian Cats, they've done it! Winners of the FIBA Women's Eurobasket for the first time in their history.
We did it! Like little Belgian did it. It's amazing. I never even... The motto is dare to dream, but I never even dared to dream this. Like, no way. But it happened.
And I'm so proud of my team for doing it.
Baby, I love you to the moon. Stars, talking like Mufasa. Know you got some scars, but I promise that I got you. Stars, singing like Sinatra. Fly me to the moon, there ain't nothing that can stop you. Yeah, my thoughts get dark, but you shine so bright. Yeah, you shine so bright. You got me singing out every night. Baby, I love you to the moon. Baby, I love you to the moon. Nobody above you.
So we are one family and we just do it for them, with them, and all together. Like, I hope they realize, but I know that without them we could not do it.
Baby, I love you. For all of you. Stars, making conversation. You connect the dots to my heart constellation. Car, something like a spaceship. Look up at the roof, see the stars, yeah, we made it. Yeah, my thoughts get dark, but you shine so bright. Yeah, you shine so bright. You got me singing out every night. Baby, I love you to the moon. Baby, I love you to the moon. Nobody above you. See the stars in the sky. When I look in your eyes, I'm on the moon. Baby, I love you. Yeah, I can spend every night staring at you, baby. See the stars in your eyes, you know how to faze me. Like the moon, you control the tides, yeah, you wavy. Malibu with you every night, going crazy. I could be the one for you who don't need to try. Be my best side. Every time I touch you, I touch the sky. Baby, I love you.
Warmste. Oh, moet je nog iets zeggen?
Eén shout-out.
Oké.
Eén shout-out. We staan hier met 3 ieperlingen. Het is een lange weg geweest om op dit punt te geraken. Maar zoals de meeste van jullie wel weten, is er nog een lange weg met andere ieperlingen aan vooraf gegaan. Ik denk aan Philip Mesta. Van de Belgian Cats, zoals we die nu kennen. Ik denk aan Kim Mesta, van Hannah Mesta, de zussen.
I don't think 6, 7, 8 years ago anyone would have imagined Belgium. And it's you know, it's not just this group, it's not just this coach. It really started with Coach Vestager and what he did for that program and the federation. And you know, he got them on the map.